Good morning, everybody, and this is your Dow Jones day trade setups for today. So, had a bit of noise coming out of Russia, which gave us this nice big green bar. Technically, we're still very much in this downtrend. We'll just have a look at this on the lower time frames just to fine tune it, but that's kind of the setup we've got at the moment. We do have a nice grouping and crossover above the 20 on the oscillators. That's always a fairly good bullish sign. So I'm looking at the moment to see what happens at this 34,800 area, and if we start drilling down to the time frame, you'll see what I mean. So lots of confusion, nice triangle, even butterfly, or sort of triangle, butterfly, doesn't matter which way you go, but it's big consolidation level here, just below this structure here at 34,800. And then we've got above it. Now we're rejecting the moving averages at the moment. All noise based. So if you look at the Russians saying they're starting to withdraw troops, and then Western politicians saying they don't believe it, they don't see anything happening, and that's kind of what happened there. So I think we're still going to be noise driven today. You have to just keep one eye on the news feed in Russia, and if you've got access to satellite photos of Russian troops, base your trading off that, because that's what's going to drive this market. So right now we're testing the 155. We are above the moving averages. Oscillators are easing off. Question we have is, are we forming another triangle? Okay, there's the bottom of it. Now I could argue that was the trend line there. That's the break. And then this is the new trend line there. So that's kind of my view at the moment. This is a strong move up, consolidating in amongst the moving averages, which is normal. That's normal price action. Still no confirmation of a bullish move. This is the early warning that we have on the hour, but we basically need to start getting above the 155 right now. And I just want to add one more level in here. If you look to the left, you'll see a lot of interaction here where we've bounced off. So this is kind of the area we need to pay attention to, which is 3,500. So just round it off to 3,500. There we go. We need to get above 3,500. So if we can start building a base on 3,500, in other words, finding support up there, we need to flip it from resistance into support. Then you've got a very decent move to 35,335. And then that would also break this trend line. Then I would start targeting these tails, these inside tails here. First this one, and then this one, and then these here. That's kind of the structure that I've got at the moment. So just pay attention to the noise, because unfortunately this is very much noise driven. It's not going to be data driven. It's just war noise. Pretty serious situation or standoff should we have, that is happening, and it impacts a lot of people in Europe as well. So that is what is driving this right now. You need to be very, very, very careful about what you do. And lastly, just on the 15 minutes, you can see this is pre-market, and then this was sort of when the US was open. So you can see the confusion in the US, not believing what they're hearing. So yeah, just wait for confirmation here. Either a break above the structure, or we're going to break below the structure and continue moving back to the downside. And that all depends on what noise comes out. So no need to flip coins. There are gaps to the downside as well on S&P and the DAX and the Dow. So it does sort of put a bit of doubt in my head that we are going to rally. It's sort of I would rather be anticipating a break of 34,800 at the moment for another move back down. So that's kind of where my brain is at the moment, although right now we're sideways. So sit quietly and wait for a break, either up or to the downside, and take the trade accordingly. The only problem that you do have is that this, well, not that bad. It's 230 points. So your stop area is going to be above or below this range. So that's only a little bit of downside. Anyway, that's kind of my view at the moment. Wait and see. You'll probably see some more noise coming out of Russia or Europe today. which will impact this one way or another. Hope that helps, and we'll catch up with you tomorrow morning. Cheers for now.